Hello my fellow YouTubers. This sound must be coming familiar to you computer gamers. Don't it? It must be familiar, eh? I have to tell you something. I am playing the new GTA on a flat screen TV what I found on the trash, what I fixed for €15 by a mate, and the sound of the ps3 jacks are behind there in this old 80's ghetto blaster, and sorry, and the video jack is in the TV. So I am playing GTA 4 on a non-HD flat TV, and the sound is coming out of an 80's ghetto blaster with incredible surround, treble, bass and that kind of shit, loudness. So that's quite fun gaming instead of doing it on a CRT TV. Actually, this is my weirdest entertainment for today, my fellow bitches. I hope you enjoy this stupid video for a few seconds, and see you again, my fellow scavengers. Bye.